Okay, so what we have is a Sennebogen 835E where the reservoir tank for the gearbox is overflowing and is discolored. So we need to check the brake pack and apply some pressure to it and see if it holds. So how we do that is we come down to the swing motor that we think we're having an issue with, which in this case is the right hand, and we go ahead and we plug off where it jumps to the other gearbox and motor. Plug everything off. You want to take a device with an inline pressure gauge to your porta-power, and you want to pump it up to about 30-40 bar, maybe 40 bar would be best. Hit your stop valve and then see if it bleeds off. It's bleeding off very slowly right now. We've bled off about 1 bar in 5 minutes. If they're really bad, they'll drop substantially in a short amount of time.